Guys, kasama natin ngayon ang masanting Mr. Pampanga, City of San Fernando. Pakilala ka na po.
Hello po, I'm Dave, bro. As you can see, I'm representing City of San Fernando.
Okay, one question lang. Kung pwede kang maging judge ng pageant, ano ang una mong titingnan?
Una ko pong titignan siguro is, well, basically the looks. And then to follow is characteristics of her.
Okay, so please invite them on your coronation night and to follow your social media accounts. Go.
So I would like to invite everyone to watch Mr. Pampanga on Me9. And if you can also give me a follow on social media, my name is Dave Rocco. Dave with a D.
Okay, good luck.